I'm alone right now. So guys, can you guys stay with me? Stay with me because I'm alone, guys. So kaya I read you a story, guys. Okay, this is space. What is this name? Space. I don't copyright that. So okay, let's go. So okay, guys. So galaxies, like nearly all stars, the sun belongs to a huge collection of stars held together by gravity. A galaxy or our galaxy is just one of gravity. A galaxy, our galaxy, is just one of hundreds of billions of galaxies floating in this vastness of the universe. On very clear dark night, you can sometimes see a band of milky light across the sky. The light comes, and from a star in the main part of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. The Milky Way is this shape, but because we are inside it, we see it like as a band. It is so huge what is inside depends imagination and what will take 150 billion years to cross the Milky Way at the speed of an airliner, and even the nearest stars would take us 6 million years to reach. Almost everything the naked eye can see in the sky belongs to the Milky Way. Beyond each country's other galaxies stretch in all directions as far as the telescope can see. Okay, the Milky is and the Milky Way. The Milky Way is shaped like two friend eggs. Back to back in the center is a bulge containing most of the galaxy's stars, and around this is a flat disk. The disk is made of spiral arms. That flat disk. The disk is made up of spiral arms that curve out from the center. There are two major spiral arms and several minor ones in the start. Here now, guys. These galaxies and from the I don't know, the Carina arm. This what galaxy? Guess this galaxy, guys. What galaxy is this? Yes. Comment down below, okay, guys. Comment down below, and the spiral arms and several minor ones in the heart of the central bulge is a black hole 4 million times more massive than the sun. Okay, guys, I have to tell you something na di ko English, magbisaya lang ta karon kay sorry kay guys, mag-apologize ko kay alon na kay ko diri. Dahil na lang. Manta. Okay, guys, bye na. Next to the meet you. Oh, sorry, guys. Just kidding. And that's right. And this is my room. Oh, sorry, guys. I really see that. And this is my room. And sorry, guys. And this is my window. I'm alone at my room so much. And bye, guys.